the brain. It's a fascinating organ indeed, with its intricate structure and myriad of functions. So let's dive into the different parts of this incredible powerhouse, shall we? The brain is divided into several regions, each with its own unique role. One such region is the prefrontal cortex, situated at the front of the brain, right behind our forehead. Think of it as the CEO of our brain, responsible for higher-level thinking, decision-making, and complex social behaviours. Quite the important job, if you ask me. Now let's delve into the purpose and function of the prefrontal cortex. This remarkable region is involved in a wide range of cognitive processes, such as planning, problem-solving, attention, and inhibiting impulsive behaviours. It helps us make rational decisions, consider the consequences of our actions, and even regulate our emotions. Quite the multitasker, wouldn't you agree? But how does the prefrontal cortex relate to depression, you may wonder? Well, research suggests that this part of the brain plays a significant role in the development and manifestation of depression. In individuals with depression, the prefrontal cortex may exhibit structural and functional abnormalities, leading to cognitive and emotional dysregulation. This can result in difficulties with decision-making, impaired attention, and an inability to regulate negative emotions effectively. Furthermore, the prefrontal cortex interacts with other brain regions, such as the amygdala, which is involved in processing emotions. In depression, this interaction may be disrupted, leading to an imbalance in emotional processing and regulation. Essentially, it's like the communication lines between different brain regions are a bit wonky, causing emotional turbulence. When it comes to depression, the prefrontal cortex's role becomes even more intriguing. This remarkable region is involved in regulating our mood and emotions, which are often disrupted in individuals with depression. It helps us process and interpret emotional stimuli, and it also plays a crucial role in the regulation of the stress response. In individuals with depression, the prefrontal cortex may exhibit reduced activity and connectivity with other brain regions involved in emotional processing. This can lead to difficulties in regulating negative emotions, such as sadness, despair, and hopelessness. It's like the prefrontal cortex's ability to put the brakes on negative emotions is compromised, resulting in an overwhelming flood of negativity. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for executive functions, which include decision-making, impulse control, and working memory. In depression, these functions may be impaired, leading to difficulties in making choices, resisting impulsive behaviours, and maintaining focus. It's as if the CEO of our brain is struggling to keep things organised and running smoothly. Interestingly, studies have shown that successful treatment for depression can lead to changes in the prefrontal cortex. With effective interventions such as medication or therapy, the activity and connections in the prefrontal cortex can be restored, helping individuals regain control over their emotions and cognitive processes. It's like giving the CEO a boost of motivation and support to get back on track. Now, I must emphasize that the prefrontal cortex is not the sole culprit in depression. Depression is a complex condition with multifaceted causes involving various brain regions and neurotransmitters. However, understanding the role of the prefrontal cortex provides valuable insights into the cognitive and emotional aspects of depression. So, understanding the role of the prefrontal cortex in depression is crucial for developing effective treatments. By targeting this region, researchers aim to restore its normal functioning and improve cognitive and emotional regulation in individuals with depression. Techniques such as cognitive behavioral therapy, medication, and even brain stimulation are being explored to address these prefrontal cortex-related issues. So, the prefrontal cortex is a true powerhouse in our brain, governing higher-level thinking, emotional regulation, and decision-making. Its involvement in depression highlights the intricate interplay between our thoughts, emotions, and brain function. By unraveling these connections, scientists and clinicians are working diligently to develop targeted treatments that can restore balance and bring relief to those affected by depression. Isn't it simply marvelous how the brain works? The more we explore its mysteries, the more we uncover its wonders. So there you have it, a glimpse into the brain and the prefrontal cortex. It's truly astonishing how this small region can have such a profound impact on our thinking and emotional well-being. Taking care of our brain is essential, whether it's through engaging in stimulating activities, practicing mindfulness, or seeking professional help when needed. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the brain and its connection to depression. We hope you found this information insightful and thought-provoking. Before we wrap up, we would like to ask for your support. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and help us reach a wider audience. Remember, your engagement and support make a significant difference in spreading awareness. Together, we can make a positive impact on the lives of those affected by depression. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to sharing more captivating insights with you in the future.